Secondly, they say how they laugh. Ayo Makun say house born. You don't follow me often. Because when they follow me often, go tell you the day go when the house born, I went live. I don't wait. As the house they born, as they try quench the fire, I was on live. Except you said, when they portray my daughter as dog for a yes kid video, they take my trials and tribulation, make joke. He used my trials and tribulation to make joke. Not only that, he call my daughter a dog, basically, in his useless speech. That unfunny motherfucker. That dry goat with smelly mouth. Imagine this man. I can't ask anybody in the industry. I said they want to lie to him. My own daughter, they portray him as dog. That way, when they beat his wife up and down, no woman for your house can ever respect her. Because I'm sure his children have seen him beating his wife. Now no see that one. Already hate that. Now they hate the video. Now they laugh. They tag me. Every case here. And they look at. They ask us answer. I talk my own. I won't come talk say one thing. Shopono ma pa gbogbo yin say. Shopono. Na go kill all of una. I just see my voice don't go past like this. My voice is getting better. I never go, but I don't feel wait again. I don't feel wait again.